Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is My Family. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to recognize shapes and colors, and we'll cover page number 31 and 32 of your book. And we'll cover the SLO to recognize and categorize parts of body we did yesterday. So today we'll do shapes and colors, and we'll color within lines and create simple patterns. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 39, verse 5, He has created the heavens and the earth with truth. He makes the night to go in the day and makes the day to go in the night. Yes, my dear children, what this verse is telling us, it is telling now this is day, and when the day ends, night starts. Again, night ends, day starts. Day ends, night starts. Who is doing all this? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And one thing more, what is happening here, one after the other, whenever there is something repeating in a sequence, it is called a pattern. Do you understand? It is called a pattern. It can be pattern of shapes. For example, one shape, the other, and then the same sequence is repeating. That is called a pattern. Inshallah, in today's lecture, we will learn further in detail. So, first you tell me, what is the color of your shirt? All of you pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered correctly, and there are many colors around you which you know. And we are going to learn further. All of you open your book on page number 31. So we are going to learn colors and shapes through an activity. There are few things we need for that. First of all, we need colored papers. We need a pencil. We need a scale. We need a pair of scissors and a compass. So teachers, kindly pause the video, make the arrangements, arrange all these stuff, then we'll proceed. So pause the video and make the arrangements. Yes, my dear teachers, have you arranged all this stuff? So we'll do activity, we'll watch a video, and through an activity we'll learn about shapes. You may select one of your choice. So I like this color, this blue. Do you like it? Or you may take one of your choice. There are different colors. Take one of your favorite color. All right, have you taken it? Now, look at this shape. This shape is called rectangle. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners, plus its opposite sides, 1 and 2. These are known as opposite sides. These are equal in length. These two are equal to each other, and these two are also equal to each other. So, a rectangle is a shape with 4 sides, 4 corners, and 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Okay, now from this shape, we can convert this rectangle in a square. Do you want to know how? All right, so measure this side and mark the length over here. Like I'm going to measure it. All right, it's 8. So I will mark 8 over here. All right. Teachers, kindly help the students in doing this. 8 over here. Now join these 2 points and cut from here. When we cut this sheet from here, what do we get? You do cut it. I have already done it. So see, we get this shape. This shape is known as square. What this square is? The 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. So how can we differentiate between a square and rectangle? In square, all 4 sides are equal in length. All 4 sides are equal in length. So 4 sides with equal length and 4 corners is a square. Do you understand? All right. Now what to do when you hold the square and turn the opposite corner? Okay, turn this in this way. Make to meet the opposite corners to each other. Now press it, press it, press it. What do you get? Wow! See, this is a new shape. It is called a triangle. Tri means 3. What does tri mean? It means 3. And this shape has 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 corners, 1, 2, and 3. That's why it is called a triangle. Once again, triangle is a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. Now, keep folding it further. Okay, again, it's a triangle. All right, let's fold it further. Again, it's a small triangle. You see, still it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Yes, my dear teachers, now help the students. What you have to do, opposite to this corner, you have to mark. Opposite to this edge, you have to mark and make an arc with a compass, with the help of a compass. Like place it here and open your compass in equal length of this and draw an arc. Okay, in this way, maybe children are not able to do this independently, so teachers kindly assist them and make them to mark this arc. After doing this, we are going to cut from this arc. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, 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 cut with a scissor. Yes, cut, 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 cut. Yes. Now, my dear children, it's a new shape. It's, can you match it? Yes. You eat cone of this shape, but this is not a cone. Want to see what did we make? Okay. Now, let's unfold it. Open it. Open it. Open it and see, it's a circle. You see, from a rectangle, we made a circle. This is another shape. Does this shape have any corner? No. So this is basically one line in a round. One round line is a circle. Yes, my dear students, have you enjoyed the activity which you watched in the video? Good job. So what's next? Here is a very interesting project in your book. You have learned how to cut shapes. Teachers, this project is like the shapes which you have already cut. Those shapes are on your table. Now what you will do, you will provide these cuttings to students, and what they will do, they will make a house out of these shapes. Like they will place these shapes and they will make write how many triangles and squares and circles and rectangles you used in the house. First you will make this shape and then you will list the number of shapes you use in this project, and then you will present your work in the class. So the shapes you have already cut in, use these shapes and make a beautiful house. Pause the video and complete the project. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now keep this house safe with you. All right, so let's move on. Page number 31. Now we just cut the shapes and now we recognize the shapes. This shape, it's a cap and the shape is triangle. This is a coin and the shape is circle. This is square and this is rectangle. So, beta the shapes we learn, those are not just paper shapes. The things around us mostly have the shapes. Now, you will recognize the shapes around you. Okay, teachers make the students to connect the shapes with the stuff available. For example, you may show them a book and may ask what is the shape or the shapes around their in their classroom, on wall, around them, so that they can connect the shapes with their real life. So pause the video and make them to think about the shapes. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Let's move on. What's next? Here we are going to learn about colors. So we need few things. We need poster color of red, yellow and blue shades, and we need brush for mixing, and we need disposable gloves, and we need a disposable plate and a disposable glass for water. So teachers kindly make the arrangements. After that we'll do an activity. So pause the video, make the arrangements. Yes, my dear teachers, are you done with the arrangements? So what we are going to do, we'll watch a video and we'll follow the activity along with the video. So pause the video and watch the video to follow the activity. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? You enjoyed playing with colors? Wonderful. And now you know when we mix red and yellow, we get a new color, that is orange. When we mix yellow and blue, we get green. When we mix blue and red, we get purple. And all these colors are known as secondary colors. These are basic colors and these are secondary colors. You know the colors in detail now. Okay, and you also learnt about pattern. Now it's time to practice the pattern. What you will do, all of you now settle down on your seats and open your book on page number 31. What's the pattern is here? There are two shapes. First is yellow, second is red. Now here, yellow, which color comes after? Red. So it's a pattern of two colors and two shapes, right? So you will complete this pattern in your book. Again, green apple and orange. So here is a pattern. It's a pattern. You will complete these two patterns in your book. Pause the video, complete this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And now there is another activity on page number 32. This pattern is again for shape and color, and the competition for this pattern is because you are going to draw it on your own and you will color it as well. So the competition is you have to draw very nicely and you have to be careful to color within the shape. When we are coloring, the color should not come outside the shape. It should remain within the boundary of the shape. So you should be careful, take your time, and let's see who does it the nice way. Pause the video, complete this pattern. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is a time for your homework. You will search a pattern of anything. Now you know what a pattern is. So you will search a pattern of anything at your home and discuss it with your parents. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Here you will read the name of the shape and you will join. First here it's circle, so where the circle is, join it. And what the color circle should have, it's green. So you will fill it with green color. This is how you are going to complete this worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we did activities to recognize and categorize different shapes, and we also did activities to recognize and categorize different colors. And we learnt about pattern. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLOs to recognize and categorize shapes and colors, and to color within lines and create simple patterns. So are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.